What's up everyone? Today we're going to be installing this DreamLine glass shower door. It's just a fixed panel. It only took about an hour to do. I have now been renting out this property for about 4 or 5 months on Airbnb, and it's survived that, so it can survive your normal day-to-day use. If you want to see how to install a DreamLine sliding glass shower door, I already have that one up on my channel, so go check it out by clicking the link somewhere up here in the corner or down in the description below. Let's get into it. The very first thing you're going to want to do after you measure and make sure your walls are plumb and everything, this only allows for a 1/2 inch adjustment if your walls are not straight. First thing you're going to want to do is take this plastic strip here, it comes in your instructions, and cut it into 2-inch pieces. Not the whole thing, but several 2-inch pieces. And those you're going to line the bottom U channel with. So I'm just going to line these in here, and this is to protect the glass once you rest the glass in here. I put the U channels in place temporarily so we can set the shower glass in temporarily and get some measurements. So I have the bottom threshold and the wall threshold on there, so now we need to mark where our cuts are going to be, and this just makes sure everything is plumb. I'll cut the channels now to where I measured the end of the glass so it'll all be flush in the end. And I'm using painter's tape on my cuts for 2 reasons. 1, to be able to draw my measurement line on top of this black metal, and 2, to make a cleaner cut. Next, I'm measuring 1 inch from the edge of my shower curb on each end, and this will be where I want to line up my U channel. I use painter's tape for pretty much everything. I'll stick this channel in place so I can mark out the holes where I need a pre-drill and then screw. Since I know someone is going to comment about installing this door on an acrylic pan, here's the answer straight from DreamLine's instructions. They have a guide for both acrylic and tile. I'll pre-drill 4 holes, 2 on each end, with a 1/8 inch drill bit. If you didn't know, most caulking guns have this hole here to cut out the tip. Mine's already cut, but I do have this prong to poke out the sealer in here. Look at that. Again, I'm only drilling in 4 screws, and I'm drilling in the ones that are provided with this kit. The reason for not drilling through all 5 or 6 holes that were on this U channel is that it can weaken the acrylic pan if you have too many holes. Plus, it gives it a place where water can actually get through, right? The more holes, the more places for failure. I'll use the same method for the wall U channel as well, but with this one I will line it up by setting it on the bottom channel and using a level to make sure it's straight up and down. I also double check this with the laser level, but that is completely optional. I didn't plan 10 steps ahead when building out my shower from scratch and place a stub behind where this glass wall will go, so that means I'll need to drill out a 5/16 inch hole and insert the provided wall anchors. If you have a stud, you can pre-drill a smaller hole and drill directly into the stud. Either way, when drilling into tile, use a diamond tipped drill bit. They're not very expensive but will help prevent any tiles from cracking. And then once I insert the wall anchors, I'll hammer them in with a rubber mallet, again to prevent me chipping away at the tile with a metal hammer. I'm putting caulking heavily on the side of the hole that faces the shower. So even though I'm going to come back and caulk on the outside of this, that way it's just caulked all the way around, inside and out. I'm not as concerned about the water getting outside the shower because I have La Drivana plank on the floors than I am the water getting into these screw holes. I want to use clear caulking in this U channel, which is the next step, but all I have is white caulking right now. And I just think going with the glass and the black here, that clear caulking would go great. I did use white caulking to actually adhere the U-channels to my acrylic pan and to my tile, but just for the inside, I think clear would just be best. It's one of those ticky-tacky things that I think should be done in my situation here. So I'm leaning my shower with a blanket, or I guess a sweater up there, and then a towel down there. Never set your glass directly on tile or really any hard surfaces at all. And just to double check, I've already secured it in as you saw, but I have a laser here that shines straight through the middle and straight through the middle up there. And we are perfect. It is now time to install the glass door. I'm using this high quality silicone here. This was like $8 a tube. Now this is waterproof. It's for tub and tile or kitchen and bath projects. 7 times stronger adhesion. Also remember your adjustment spacers here. It's this plastic strip that comes in your instructions. Do not throw this away. Cut it into several 2-inch pieces. Mine are closer to 3, I guess. Okay, more than enough. I got like 6 or 7. Now I'm gonna apply my silicone. Then pop in the adjustment spacers you cut out. And then I'm gonna put a little bit more silicone on top of those. Make sure the sticker that's on the glass is facing inside the shower like it is right now in my case. So I know exactly how long my U-channel should be, so I'm gonna keep pushing this towards the wall until it lines up with my U-channel down there that I cut. You can also use like a rubber mallet and a piece of wood. I have some leftover vinyl plank here. It's not even dry and it's so sturdy already. Wow. All right, now I got a bunch of caulking to clean up. And then we can do some external caulking if we would like, and then it's ready to be used in 24 hours. 24 hours. So as you can see, it really didn't take that much time or effort to install this thing. The instructions are actually pretty clearly written, and even without that, it's 2 U-channels with the glass fixed panel and a bunch of caulking. But like I said, this glass panel has now survived 5 months of Airbnb tenants coming in and out. We've had this toilet break already a couple of times, I kid you not, and so I had to drive all the way up this mountain to fix a brand new name brand toilet. It's out survived this glass panel. It's still not even wiggling, and I installed it to an acrylic shower pan, which I showed you how to install in a previous video. So thank you all so much for watching. Please hit that like button as a free way for you to show your support. Subscribe so you can see more content just like this. And I will see you on a future video. We have a lakeside bungalow Airbnb property I'm just about to start renovating, which includes 2 different shower types, one with the bathtub, and again, one with the shower pan, but a squared shower pan. So it's a little bit different, a lot of content. Subscribe, I'll see you later.